Hello and welcome to another informative video. This is about the Russians' Merch multi-launch rocket system. Some people say that it's the most destructive system, only second to the nuclear weapons. In the real world, it can be devastating as it can concentrate firepower and unleash it in few minutes, more rapidly than the traditional artillery or missile systems. However, the key to its success is if the sound intelligence is available in real time about any concentration of enemy land forces. In recent past, a similar American system called HIMARS, used by Ukraine military, has reportedly killed dozens of Russians in a single attack. The system name reflects its destructive character. Smerch in Russian language means tornado. It can be fired from minimum 20 km to a maximum range of 120 km, uh, uh, in which the rocket used is 9M542. Its another version has an improved rocket system that has a range of up to 200 km, that is called 9M544. Each vehicles carry 12 rockets of 300 mm caliber. Each rocket weighs over 800 kgs. Each launch vehicle weight is 44 tons. The vehicle can travel at 60 km per hour once it is in position. The BM Smerch can fire all 12 missiles in 38 seconds. Then it is again ready to move in 1 minute. Russia plus 15 other states have this system up till now. That includes Algeria, UAE, Kuwait, India. Pakistan also has a system that is a similar system of Chinese origin. And in Chinese it is called A100 system, and Pakistani version is called A100E. So definitely this missile system can have all kind of warheads that can be rockets can be filled with anti-tank mines, anti-personnel mines, and so a variety of targets can be targeted with highly destructive power that is surely only less than the nuclear weapons, but it's also called a tactical weapon system because it can only be used in a certain situation when enemy forces are massing somewhere, and you can find out timely also and can make the move also. So on this I will conclude this video. If you have any question, you can ask them in comments and I will very happily answer them. Like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.